Nature usually follows a strict set of rules, but sometimes those lines get blurred. From massive predators to rare deep-sea wonders, these are the world's most incredible hybrid animals. Let's start with a giant. Liger. The liger is a massive hybrid born from a male lion and a female tiger. This cross does not occur naturally in the wild. It only happens under human care, usually in captivity. Ligers are known for their enormous size, often growing larger than both parent species. They inherit the lion's social tendencies and the tiger's solitary instincts. Faint tiger stripes can still be seen across their pale, lion-like coats. Because of genetic limitations, male ligers are almost always sterile. Today, ligers remain rare and exist only in controlled environments. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe the channel and tell us in the comments, where are you watching from today? Zorse. A zorse is a hybrid created by crossing a zebra with a horse. The result is an animal with a horse-like body and zebra-style striping. Zorses are generally stronger and more energetic than regular horses. They tend to have wilder instincts inherited from the zebra parent. Due to chromosome differences, zorses are almost always sterile. Most live between 20 and 30 years. Today, zorses are found mainly in captivity and conservation programs. Experts estimate over 1,000 zorses exist worldwide.
Grolar bear. The Grolar bear, also called a pizzly, results from a polar bear mating with a grizzly bear. This hybrid is incredibly rare, but has been documented in the wild, particularly in Canada's Arctic regions, where climate change is pushing the two species' territories closer together.
The Grolar inherits the polar bear's white cream-colored fur, but with brown patches from its grizzly parent. It's slightly smaller than a pure polar bear, but larger than most grizzlies. These hybrids show mixed behavior. They can swim like polar bears, but also dig dens like grizzlies. Scientists estimate there are fewer than 20 confirmed Grolars worldwide, making them one of the rarest hybrids on Earth. Interestingly, Grolars are fertile and can reproduce, unlike many other hybrid animals. Jaglion. A Jaglion is the offspring of a male jaguar and a female lion. This hybrid is exceptionally rare and only exists in captivity. The Jaglion has a sandy-colored coat like a lion, but covered with rosette spots similar to a jaguar's markings. They're powerfully built, combining the jaguar's compact musculature with the lion's larger frame. From the jaguar parent, they inherit an incredibly strong bite force and love of water. From the lion, they get a more social temperament. There are believed to be fewer than 5 Jaglions in existence today, all in specialized facilities. What's remarkable is that Jaglions can weigh up to 300 pounds and possess climbing abilities superior to either parent species. Narluga. The Narluga is an extremely rare marine hybrid between a narwhal and a beluga whale. For decades, this hybrid was only theoretical until DNA analysis confirmed its existence in 1990 from a skull found in Greenland. Narlugas inherit the beluga's rounded head shape, but with teeth structure somewhere between both species, lacking the narwhal's iconic tusk, but having unusual dental formations. They're gray in color, darker than belugas, but lighter than narwhals. Because both parent species live in Arctic waters, encounters are possible. But Narlugas remain extraordinarily uncommon. Scientists estimate fewer than 10 may exist in the wild today. These hybrids can dive to extreme depths and navigate icy waters with remarkable skill. Zoe. The Zoe is a hybrid between a yak and domestic cattle, commonly bred in Tibet and Mongolia for over 1,000 years. This isn't a modern creation. It's a traditional practice among Himalayan herders. Zoes are larger and stronger than regular cattle, with the yak's thick, shaggy coat that protects against freezing temperatures. They produce more milk than yaks and are gentler than pure yak bulls, making them ideal for high-altitude farming. What's fascinating is that female Zuzos are fertile and highly valued, while males are sterile. There are an estimated 500,000 Dzos across the Tibetan Plateau and surrounding regions. These animals can survive at altitudes above 13,000 feet, where regular cattle would struggle to breathe. Coywolf. The Coywolf is a natural hybrid between coyotes and wolves that's increasingly common in North America. Unlike most hybrids, Coywolves breed successfully in the wild and have created a stable hybrid population. They're medium-sized, larger than coyotes but smaller than wolves, with diverse coat colors ranging from gray to reddish-brown. Coywolves are highly adaptable, thriving in forests, suburbs, and even urban environments. They inherited the coyote's flexibility and the wolf's pack-hunting intelligence. Scientists estimate there may be over 1 million coywolves across eastern North America. Remarkably, genetic studies show many eastern coyotes today are actually coywolf hybrids, representing an ongoing evolution in real time. Hinny. A hinny is the lesser-known cousin of the mule, born from a female donkey and a male horse. Hinnies are much rarer than mules because female donkeys are harder to breed with male horses due to biological differences. They're generally smaller than mules, with a donkey-like head and horse-like body. From their horse father, they inherit a silkier coat and more refined features. From their donkey mother, they get incredible sure-footedness and a calm temperament. Like mules, hinnies are almost always sterile. The global hinny population is estimated at only a few thousand, mostly in Mediterranean countries and parts of Asia, where they're prized for mountain work. Leopon. The Leopon is a striking hybrid between a male leopard and a female lion, existing only in captivity. This hybrid has the tawny color of a lion, with leopard rosettes covering its body, creating a stunning appearance. Leopons have a lion's build, but with the leopard's climbing agility and preference for trees. They're muscular and athletic, often more active than lions. The first documented Leopon was born in 1910, but today fewer than 10 exist worldwide. These hybrids face health challenges and are typically sterile. Interestingly, Leopons have been observed displaying hunting behaviors from both parents. They can stalk like leopards but also work cooperatively when with other animals.